In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra baggage in Air Canada. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to teach you how to do this process on the Air Canada website, but keep in mind that you can also do it on the Air Canada mobile app if you wish. If you are doing this on the website, when you use the menu at the top of the screen, you can tap Plan and then select Checked Baggage from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to this page where you can see all the baggage attributed to your flight. You will have to include your origin and your destination, and you will be able to view your allowance for your specific flight. You will notice, however, that on this page, although you have all the information necessary about extra bags, you will not have the option to add the bags before the flight. This is because in Air Canada, the only way to add extra baggage is 24 hours before the flight. So, when you are ready to add new bags 24 hours before departure, all you have to do is, once again, tap Plan over here on the menu and then select Check In Now. You will have to check in on the website or on the mobile app to actually have access to the options of adding extra bags. So after you include your identification number and your last name, you will be able to manage the baggage attributed to your flight and add extra bags as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to add extra baggage in Air Canada. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.